Let's wait for 5 minutes. Some students are joined the Tom class, so let them over. So we will start. Then we will start. Okay, now we start. So So in the last class, we have seen that different types of gate available, and we are using those gates for different purpose of the time of filling. In the main requirement of the main things required for this gating time of filling, how much time to take the fill the mold cavity when we apply the top gate and when we apply the bottom gate. So in this purpose we have seen some things that how can we determine the air, determine the velocity at point the gate when it is at the top position, and what is the gate what is the velocity when it will be when it will be the at the bottom point. So this question from this portion, the gate will always ask one question for filling, for determine the time of filling. So it is very important. So let's see how the we can determine the time of filling for the top gate. So this one is the top gate we have seen, and we have applied the Bernoulli equation from point for point 1 and 3, and we see the following things, that the velocity at gate is root under 2 GHT. If you forgot to apply the Bernoulli's equation, but you have to remember that if you have to determine the velocity at point 3, then the velocity is always the root under 2gh for simple kinematics equation at point 3. For simple kinematics equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2gh. It is a simple kinematic equation, and you can determine the velocity at point 3 is due to this head. So it is the velocity is the parameter of the height which under which it will be the head of the height will be cause the velocity. So the velocity at point 3, or we can say the velocity at point gate, at gate point is nothing but root under 2g ht, because ht we have taken because this total height is taken as ht. So if the velocity of the gate is determined, then the time of filling, if the q is the volume flow rate through the gate, then it means the area of gate into the velocity of the gate into this one is the volume flow rate. Means if you apply the unit of the area, it is a meter square, and velocity is the meter per second. So it is a meter cube per second. Meter cube per second is nothing but the time flow rate. So it is called the q, time flow rate. Q dot we can say that because it is a respect to the time. So if we multiply the time, then it will be the volume of mold, because this volume can be filled by the volume of mold. It means the capacity of the mold. Hm is the height and am is the area. So if we equate both the equation, then it will be equal to volume of mold. This whole derivation is given here. The volume of mold is nothing but the gate area into gate velocity into time of filling. So, and this volume of the mold is nothing but the area of the mold into the height of the mold. So equate those equation, Ag Vg into time of filling. So time of filling will be, for top gate, it will be equal to Am into Vm divided by Am into Hm, sorry, height of the mold, divided by Ag, area of gate, into velocity of the gate. So this one is the velocity, this one is the formula to determine the time of filling when the gate is situated at the top of the mold. So AMVM is also called the volume of the mold. वॉल्यूम VOL लिखता हूं मैं इसको क्योंकि V से आप कंफ्यूज हो सकते हैं. दिस V इज इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम एंड दिस V इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी. सो डू नॉट बी कंफ्यूज. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मोल्ड बटा divided by AG into VG, velocity of the gate. So this one is the time of filling if the gate is situated at the top of the mold. So next things is that there are certain assumptions for determining this. These are the followings. The liquid metal enter directly to the screw in the mold cavity. Directly enter करेगा liquid without help of any runner. फिर liquid metal entering into the cavity from bottom of the screw at the atmospheric pressure. जिस प्रेशर पे वो इन करेगा उसी प्रेशर पे वो आउट करेगा स्क्रू से. So velocity of the liquid which is entering into the cavity is very high. There is a possibility of turbulence and splashing of the metal. It is possible because the velocity should be high. It can be used for the casting of the ferrous material. It is also asked in an interview, then you may answer it. The next things is for the bottom gate. How can we determine the time of filling for the bottom gate? Means if the gate is situated at the bottom of the mold cavity, then how can we it will determine. So let's first you think that the mold is here, the molten metal is poured here, it is the point 1, this is the entering point from the screw is here, and it is entering from the mold to the mold, the point is 3. So it is, if the mold is filled from here and the molten metal is filled to the mold from here, so molten metal is goes to the up, so upward filling will be proceed. So if the mold is filled up to some point from the if the mold is filled up to this point, then the back pressure of the back pressure to the molten metal will be applied because of some portion will be filled, then the head will be developed. This head can be put the pressure into the molten metal. So due to this back pressure, the time of filling will be higher than the top gate. So कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब हम बॉटम से बॉटम गेट से मोल्टन मेटल को फील्ड कराते हैं, तो ये डाउन से मोल्टन मेटल अप की ओर जाता है. तो ये जब कुछ हाइट तक ये मोल्टन मेटल पहुंच जाता है, तो ये मोल्टन मेटल सेल्फ हेड डेवलप के कारण यहाँ पे वो प्रेशर डेवलप करता है, बैक प्रेशर जिसको बोलते हैं. इस बैक प्रेशर के कारण हमें टाइम ऑफ फिलिंग ज्यादा लगता है. अभी कहने का क्या मतलब है कि इसीलिए इसमें क्या होता है कि डिफरेंशियल हाइट प्रोवाइड हो जाता है. एक चीज देखो, यहाँ पे ये टोटल हाइट मेरा था और ये समथिंग विल बी दिस इज द टोटल हाइट ऑफ द मोल्ड कैविटी. Total height of the mold cavity is HM, and it will be filled up to height H for some moment of the time. So this differential height HT minus H will be provide the back pressure to the mold, so back pressure into the mold cavity, so the time of filling will be lesser. Point of time of filling will be more. So let's see the first assumptions we have taken, that if there is if this one is also a HT height, from there it is also in the HT height for the top gate, so the pressure is generally it will be higher there, but the velocity which will be poured into the mold cavity will be kept very less, so that turbulence and splashing can be avoided. So here we have written at the velocity at the liquid metal in the cavity is negligible. So turbulence and no splashing will be occurred. So time requirement is higher. So where we will do the casting in such that where the time is not the constraint, so that we can use the bottom gate. In general, the bottom gate we have absorbed that the casting which will be absorbed, where very good casting will be find will be made by the bottom gate, because the turbulence and splashing is avoided here due to the low negligible velocity entering into the gate. सो लेट्स सी हाउ कैन वी डिटरमाइन टाइम ऑफ फिलिंग निकालने के लिए मुझे यहाँ का गेट का एरिया जो भी डिटरमाइन जो पहले से प्रोवाइड रहेगा एजी, तो यहाँ के गेट का वेलोसिटी वीजी हमें निकालना होगा. नाउ दिस वीजी यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दैट द वेलोसिटी इज द पैरामीटर ऑफ हाइट द हेड डेवलप्ड एट द बॉटम. So this head can be now be calculated at the differential head, because if some point we will assume that the time the mold is filled up to this portion, so back pressure is also introduced between them. So we will be apply the differential head mean h height by ht height, total height से ht height को divide minus कर देंगे. तो this one be applied, the Bg is equal to 2h total height. Let's wait. The Bg equal to root under 2g ht total height minus the height where the molten metal will have filled till the time at the time t second. So if this one is now the differential velocity will be find at the point 3. So you can also be determine this vg by the Bernoulli's equation. So first you have to apply the Bernoulli's equation at point 1 and 3. Then you may find p1 by rho 1, p1 by rho v1, this the velocity at here is v1 by 2 into g plus g acceleration due to gravity into the height, this height, because this one is the reference line. So this height will be generated at point 1 the total head. So at point यहाँ पे हम करेंगे तो ये, और at point 3, so p3 by rho v3 square by 2, v3 square by 2 and g into s3. S3 is the referential, is the reference point, so it will be taken at 0. So this will be 0. This one is the, this pressure is the, this pressure head is generated due to this height. So this one is the, it is a higher. So due to this is very higher from the atmospheric pressure. So this can be negligible, and in the physics which one will is negligible, so we can be remove it. So p1 will be removed, velocity at point 1 is removed, because the initial velocity at the point 1 is the negligible we have taken earlier in the assumptions. So it will be 0. So then we can find the p3 square, p3 by rho v3 square by 2 into ght. So we have find this one gst is we have assumed it equation 1. Now we can apply the Bernoulli equation at point 3 and point 4, that is up to the h height. If we assume that we have filled up to the h height, so if the at the portion of h head we have taken one point h 4 and apply the Bernoulli equation at point 3 and 4, then you may find that the p3 by rho v3 square by 2 p4 by gs3 and gh4. Here we can find the p3 by rho को हम यहाँ से निकाल लेंगे, प्रेशर इंटू प्रेशर बाय प्रेशर हेड at point 3 due to the height h, by assuming that the negligible velocity entering into the मोल्ड कैविटी। सो दिस कंडीशंस को अप्लाई करके हम यहाँ का हाइट, यहाँ का P3 by this one is goes 0, H3 it also goes to 0 because the difference point P4 with the entering back pressure. Firstly you have to assume 0 because the height of H will be taken as the here. So GH and V4 is the also be negligible at the mold top of the mold. So we can see the P3 by rho is equal to GH, and we will put it P3 by rho here, P3 by rho in equation 1. Then you may find that V3 square, V3 square by 2 is nothing but GHT minus GH. I have already told you that the velocity means V3 is equal to root under 2g ht minus h, because of this, because if we calculate the velocity at point 3 is the differential height of this two head. It is the parameter of the height, so the velocity will be the differential height of ht and h. So let's of look at here. Now the if we calculate the vg, means that velocity at point 3 is also called the velocity of the gate, and it will be the differential of d 2g root under ht. The total height is constant and this h is the differential height, it will be increases. So mold cavity, if this is the mold cavity and the height of the mold is total is h, and total height is mold of is hm, and it will be filled, and we have taken the velocity at any instant where it will be height at h. So this h will be vary, this h will be vary from 0 to hm, means 0 level is here and hm level is the total field, total mold volume or total mold height. So this h will be vary from 0 to h. So now our aim is to determine the time of filling. So the time of filling is will be the area of the gate, velocity of at the gate, and the differential time we will calculate now, because the differential time calculation का purpose है कि we have taken an instant. This velocity can be calculated at the instant when the height of the mold is h, and h is vary from 0 to h. H is vary from 0 to hm, total height of the mold. So now this dt, and this is the volume of the mold actually. So this volume of the mold is, now we have calculated this dt time for hm, and differential height dh, differential height dh. So let the time will be calculated like the integration. So this will be comes goes to the denominator ag by vg, and thus we will integrate is the total time of filling. Total time of filling of is now we written as the time of filling of by the bottom gate. So am is the area of the mold, it will be the constant, it will be the constant. Area of the gate is the constant. Height, here the vg is equal to root under 2g st minus h, and h is the variable from 0 to, we have integrate from 0 to hm, the total height of the mold. So if we integrate it from 0 to hm height, the time of filling will be covered. So let's integrate it. So if we integrate it, dt will be the time of filling. So 0 time of filling by the bottom gate. am ag and 2g is the constant term, so we will be put it out. Now root under 2g, root under ht minus h1 means integrate it, जब integrate करेंगे इसको तो this one equal to minus half रूट अंडर का मतलब है था माइनस हाफ, तो प्लस वन और प्लस रूट माइनस हाफ प्लस वन ऊपर नीचे दोनों में चला जाता है। तो इंटीग्रेशन है ये, तो एक बार इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे इसको, तो दिस वन विल इक्वल टू ए एम ए जी टू जी द कॉन्स्टेंट, दिस वन इज इक्वल टू minus half plus 1 is equal to plus half, and this one we equal to the root under ht minus h. This one is equal to ht minus h, and this one is equal to the half, so this 2 is goes to above, so this 2 is goes to here, and now the equation is 2am ag into root under 2g, and this one is equal to st minus h, the whole root here, and now the लिमिट विल बी 0 to hm, जब हम इसको रख देते हैं तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 2am एरिया ऑफ मॉल्ड डिवाइडेड बाय ag एरिया ऑफ गेट रूट अंडर 2g first firstly you have to put the lower limit for the height h, this one is equal to, then it will be equal to only this will be equal to 0, then ht will be appeared here. If we put the h higher limit, then it will be equal to h is equal to hm, and it will be appeared here. So total time of filling for the bottom gate, it will be
सर
like
वो रूट
this.
पूरा है सर।
So the time of filling,
सर वो अंडर रूट, हेलो
so time of filling for the bottom gate is equal to 2 times area of mold divided by ag area of gate into 2g root under ht minus root under ht minus टोटल हाइट से हाइट ऑफ द मोल्ड को डिवाइड माइनस कर देंगे. सो दिस वन इज द टाइम ऑफ फिलिंग फॉर द बॉटम गेट. इफ द गेट इज एट द बॉटम ऑफ द मोल्ड कैविटी, then the time required is this much. So the both equation you have to remember for the top gate and the bottom gate. There is the many times gate repeated ask the question, or your university will be asked the question, determine the time of filling if the gate is the at the bottom point and the area volume of the mold is given, area of the given, and sometimes the velocity will be given, but if the velocity is not given, the head will be provided by them, and you can calculate easily. Let's take some cases that when look at the here. There is one condition that when in the case of bottom gate, when the in the case of bottom gate, when the height mold height, or we can say the casting height will be equal to the total height, or the total height of the mold. So one case is there that the gate is here and it will be filled by the bottom gate, and the mold cavity is the height, is equal to the mold cavity height hm. This one is the hm. This one is the hm, and the mold cavity height is equal to the total height or the total head of the at point at the point of gate. So ये total height ht है, और इसी height का अगर मेरा mold हो जाएगा, then what will be the time of filling? It is a special case, and this will also arise many times. So this is important for you. So how can you understand? So this one is this is the case that it is the mold cavity. The mold cavity height is equal to the total height of the getting system. Then what will be the take the time to fill the mold cavity? So we have made one special case that if ht hm the height of the mold is equal to the total height of the gating system. So we can put in this equation, we can put ht minus, this one is ht minus hm. So let's see the equation. So in this equation, we will put the ht equal to hm. So if we put the ht is equal to hm, then thus you have seen what the equation will come. So 2 times hm by hg by root under 2g, and ht is there. The ht is, we will remain put it. So minus ht माइनस एच एम के जगह, एच के जगह पे हम, एच एम के जगह पे हम एच पी ही रख देते हैं. तो दिस वन इक्वल टू कैंसिल आउट, एंड द टाइम ऑफ फिलिंग बाय द बॉटम गेट इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स am by ag into 2 times root under 2 times of acceleration due to gravity into hg into root under ht. दिस इक्वेशन मुझे मिलेगा. अभी क्या करते हैं, st को ऊपर नीचे दोनों तरफ हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. तो दिस वन इज इक्वल टू ht, this one is equal to ag into root under 2 times h, root under 2 times 2g ht. So if ht is now converted into hm, because ht total height is equal to the height of the mold. So we can see that 2 times am into hm divided by ag into root under 2 times st, and you can able to see that this is equal to the time of filling when the top gate will be there. This one is the time of filling of the top gate. Look at the above equation. This one is equal to the top gate. So here we can see that the time of filling by the bottom gate is equal to 2 times of the time of filling by the top gate. So the special case is there. There are many times asked by the gate and other in a competitive exam, when the height of the mold is equal to the total height of the gating system, then what will be the time of filling taken by the, what was the time of filling will be happened? Then the time of filling by the bottom gate when the height of the mold is equal to the height of the gating system, then the double times will be required to fill. So it will be 2 times will be required to fill if the height of the mold is equal to the height of the gating system. So many times they will ask to prove it, then the proof is there. You can be apply those things, and the proof, you have to prove how the time of filling will be doubled if the mold cavity height is equal to the total gating system height. So the time of filling, it is you have to remember it. The time of filling of the bottom gate is 2 times of the time of filling of the top gate. And you have also be remember this formula, that the time of filling at the when it will be top gate is equal to am area of mold cavity into the height of the mold cavity divided by ag area of gate and the velocity of the gate. So if it is the time of filling for the top gate, and time of filling for the bottom gate is equal to am 2 times in by divided by ag into 2g root under ht minus root under ht minus hm for the bottom gate. And a special case, if HT is equal to HM, total height is equal to the height of the mold, then it will be equal to time of filling by the bottom gate is equal to 2 times Ag into AM into HM divided by AG into 2 times Newton GH total height. So this one is the time of filling for the bottom gate if the height of the mold is equal to the height of the gating system. So you have to remember three formula for the time of filling. Now let's look up some numericals. Before that, before the solving the numericals, I have taken your attendance first. So let's wait for 2 minutes. $29. Day by day, your attendance is goes to the poor. And mind it that if the university will ask for give the attendance of the student, what will be happen? I don't know. So be careful. If you have time. Let's the question. So in a gating design, the dimension of the cavity is given as 50 इंटू 25 इंटू 10 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. मतलब ये आपका मोल्ड कैविटी का डायमेंशन दिया हुआ है. हाइट है उसका 10 सेंटीमीटर, डेप्थ है उसका, ब्रिथ है उसका 25 सेंटीमीटर और लेंथ है उसका 50 सेंटीमीटर. So it is filled by top gate. The gate is at the top of the portion, top of the mold cavity, with a pouring height of 15 centimeter. मतलब HT is the total height is 15 centimeter. The cross section area of the gate is 25 centimeter square. Calculate time taken to fill the cavity. तो ये टॉप गेट है, फिगर इज देयर. द टोटल हाइट इज गिवन 15 सेंटीमीटर, 25 50 सेंटीमीटर, 50 means this one is the 50, this one is the 25 and the depth is 10 centimeter. So if and the area of the gate is equal to 5 centimeter square. So you can determine this by the equation TF into VM and TF VM by this AG